Why does your scanner show the P2007 engine code? What does it mean? P2007 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold runner, control stuck closed bank 2. This engine code indicates that the intake manifold runner for the second bank of cylinders is stuck in the closed position, which restricts airflow and negatively impacts engine performance. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IMRC actuator or solenoid. Carbon buildup. Vacuum line issues. Wiring problems. Mechanical failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford and Audi models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.